Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3200 PSI Pressure Washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment, or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.4 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles: 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. This unit also has built-in detergent tanks, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. And the Dolly-Style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure to wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3200 PSI Pressure Washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.